Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our daily English podcast for learners. Today, we've got something special for all you B2 intermediate learners out there. We're going to listen to a natural conversation between two friends, Sarah and Ben. They're catching up after not seeing each other for a while. This is a fantastic way to improve your listening skills and pick up new phrases that native speakers use every day. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into their conversation. Sarah, hey! I can't believe it's you. It's been ages. How have you been?
Ben, wow, what a surprise. I'm doing great, thanks. Just been really busy with work. How about you? You look well.
I'm good, really good. I actually just got back from a trip to Japan. It was absolutely incredible. I've been meaning to call you to tell you all about it.
Japan? No way. I'm so jealous. That's been on my bucket list for years. You have to tell me everything. Did you go to Tokyo? Kyoto?
We did both, and more. We started in Tokyo, and honestly, the city is just electric. The energy is something else. We explored Shibuya Crossing, which was as chaotic and amazing as everyone says. The food scene was out of this world. I think I had ramen for breakfast, lunch, and dinner most days.
That sounds like a dream. Did you find it easy to get around? Especially with the language barrier? I've always been a bit intimidated by that.
I was too, but it was surprisingly easy. Most of the signs in major train stations and tourist areas are in English. Plus, people are so incredibly helpful. We used a translation app a few times, but gestures and a friendly smile went a long way. People really appreciated it when we tried to say a few basic Japanese phrases like arigato and sumimasen.
That's reassuring to hear. So, after the hustle and bustle of Tokyo, what was Kyoto like? I've heard it's more traditional.
It was a complete contrast, in the best way possible. It's so peaceful and beautiful. We visited so many temples and shrines. Fushimi Inari, with its thousands of red gates, was breathtaking. We also spent a day in Arashima Bamboo Grove. Walking through that felt like being in another world. It was so serene.
Wow, that sounds magical. Did you get a chance to see any geishas in the Gion district? I've seen documentaries about it.
We did. We were walking around Gion in the evening, and we were lucky enough to spot a few on their way to appointments. It was a really special moment, like stepping back in time. They were so graceful. We also tried a traditional tea ceremony, which was a fascinating cultural experience.
I'm officially adding Japan to the top of my travel list. It sounds like you had a well-rounded experience, mixing the modern with the traditional. What was the most unexpected thing about your trip?
That's a good question. I think it was the politeness and orderliness of everything. It's on a whole other level. People queue for everything so patiently. The cities are spotless. Also, the vending machines. They sell everything you can imagine, from hot coffee to full meals. It was a bit of a novelty.
That's hilarious. I'd probably spend a fortune just trying out different vending machine snacks. So, what's next on your travel agenda? Or are you taking a break for a while?
Well, this trip has definitely given me the travel bug again. I'm thinking somewhere in South America next, maybe Peru. I've always wanted to hike the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu.
Oh, fantastic choice. A friend of mine did that last year and said it was a life-changing experience. The landscapes are supposed to be stunning.
Exactly. What about you, Sarah? Any travel plans on the horizon? Or is work keeping you grounded for now?
Work is definitely demanding, but I'm hoping to take a short break soon. I'm thinking of something a bit more relaxing. Maybe a beach holiday in Greece or Italy. Just sunshine, good food, and a few good books.
That sounds like pure bliss. You deserve a break. After hearing about Japan, you've got me thinking, maybe I should plan a relaxing trip before I tackle a big hike.
Exactly. You need to balance the adventure with some relaxation. Hey, we should properly catch up soon. Maybe we could grab dinner next week. I want to see all your photos from Japan.
I would love that. I've got hundreds of them. Are you free on Thursday evening? There's a new Thai place that just opened up downtown that I've been wanting to try.
Thursday works perfectly for me, and I love Thai food. It's a date. Just text me the details. It was so good running into you, Ben.
You too, Sarah. It really made my day. I'll text you. See you on Thursday.
See you then. Bye.
All right, and that was our conversation for today. What did you think? There were a lot of great expressions in there. Let's break down a few of them. First, Ben said, "It's been ages." This is a very common and natural way to say, "It's been a long time." You can use it when you see someone you haven't seen for months or even years. Then, Sarah mentioned Japan was on her bucket list. A bucket list is a list of things you want to do or see before you die, or just in your lifetime. It's a great phrase for talking about your dreams and goals. Ben described Tokyo as electric and said the food scene was out of this world. These are great descriptive adjectives. Electric means very exciting and full of energy. Out of this world is an idiom meaning extremely good or impressive. When talking about the language barrier, Sarah said she was intimidated by that. To be intimidated means to feel frightened or nervous because you are not confident in a situation. Ben also mentioned that a smile went a long way. This expression means that something was very effective or helpful. He described the Arashima bamboo grove as serene, which means calm and peaceful. Another wonderful descriptive word to add to your vocabulary. Finally, Ben said the Japan trip gave him the travel bug. If you get the travel bug, it means you have a strong desire to travel. These are just a few examples. I recommend listening to the conversation again, maybe 2 or 3 times. The first time, just listen. The second time, try to write down any new words or phrases you hear. And the third time, maybe try to shadow the conversation, speaking along with Sarah and Ben to practice your pronunciation and fluency. Practicing with real-life conversations like this is one of the best ways to move your English from an intermediate to an advanced level. You learn how people really speak with all the natural pauses, idioms, and flow of conversation. I hope you found this helpful. What topics would you like to hear us cover in future conversations? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your suggestions. Thanks so much for tuning in to our daily English podcast for learners. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episode. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.